Bitcoin holds above 80K. Are we about to witness a huge explosion up, or is this the beginning of more downside? Let's find out what levels matter. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 3:15 p.m. Eastern time and the price of Bitcoin is currently at $80,081. We're gonna start off here with the weekly chart. This candle has 2 days and 5 hours before it closes. Telling you guys yesterday, this is still bullish. We're above the 21 moving average, which is huge. Ever since we lost it, look how many weeks it's taken for us to get back above this 21 moving average. So just the fact that we even made it this far is pretty impressive. Now, if we could hold this level and close a green candle above the 21 moving average, more than likely we're going to be heading towards this 100 moving average, this blue line at 87,987. Now the stochastics are toppy here, but if we could continue to drag, we could definitely hit those levels. If we could break above that, then the next stop will be the 80 moving average at 94,378. So right now it's important for us to hold above 80K. If we do, and we could get and stabilize that 85K, we could probably get all the way up to 95K. We head over to the 5-day chart. This candle closes in 2 days and 5 hours. I'm not liking that this is red. This is showing some rejection. Now we could get a little red candle here, then the next 5-day candle could start turning green and we could head towards this 50 moving average at 88,618. That could happen, but usually when we close a red candle next to a green one, it usually shows that we might be having a little bit more downside. Head over to the 3-day chart. We see that the stochastics here are toppy, but it kind of looks like we're about to curve one more time up, and if that's the case, then we're more than likely going to be getting a higher move up. This 3-day chart shows we can make it to the 80 moving average at 87,894. On the daily chart, the stochastics got toppy and we already started rolling over. We got that rejection on the 200 moving average, and now it looks like we're going down towards the 21 moving average at 77,880. It looks like we could still head down. Let's see how today closes. It's already starting to close a little bit more green than yesterday. Maybe we just go sideways here and let the 21 moving average catch up a little bit more to price. Maybe when it's at 79K, maybe we drop down to that before moving up. The 22-hour chart shows that we still have some more downside here to come. So touching this 21 moving average is not out of the question. That's at 78,738. On the 8-hour time frame, I'm liking this right here. The stochastics RSI reset and we're already starting to curve up. Now, of course, this could happen where we're going sideways and stall here for a little bit before making the bigger move up. But if we could just start pumping up right here, this could bring Bitcoin to a lot higher prices. We rolled over here after having this gigantic wick, almost like a topping tail, and now we're kind of making a bear flag. So the measured move to this will possibly take us to this 50 moving average. That's at 78,496. What's good is that we only fell down yesterday, I believe, to 79,500, and we're already back above 80K. So it looks like if we do have a big drop down, it's probably only going to be to 78K, and then maybe from there we could continue going up. So far there is some bearishness, but there's also a lot of bullishness still left here in the charts. Now on the stochastics RSI on the 4-hour chart, this is looking good too. It's starting to roll up. Hopefully we don't roll over here. If we don't roll over, then we could possibly get back above this 21 moving average at 80,860. This will be very important to get back above this 21 moving average. If we could get above this and hold it, then it looks like we are going for more upside. Now this could end up being an inverted head and shoulder, left shoulder, head. We're far from this happening, but this is a possibility. And then shoulder, and let's just make believe that this ends up happening. It could end up taking us to about 84K. I mean, we're far from this happening, but it's just an idea to play around with, trying to see what could happen in the future. Now if we lose this 50 moving average, that's going to be bad because we already touched it and now we're starting to get away from it. And if we fall below that, we could fall back down to the 100 moving average at 78,484. And if we lose that, the next stop is the 200 moving average at 75,833. You really don't want to lose that. You lose this, we're possibly going to have way more downside. If I pull away here, you can see that this is the bear flag that I have on the daily time frame here. And then all of a sudden we'll be way back into this bear flag, and then that means we'll probably have to come down and test this channel, and that's going to be at 72,520 all the way here at the bottom of the bear flag. So we want to stay above this bear flag and get back above that 21 moving average. On the 1-hour time frame, we ended up getting a rounded top here, and now we're just trying to flag out here sideways. case, maybe this could give us a pump back up to about 80,830. The stochastics are getting a little bit toppy, so it looks like we could roll over. The only thing is we don't want to lose that 200 moving average at 79,484, because then now we have to start testing the inside of this bear flag. So we definitely want to stay above this 21 moving average, and if we lose it, we need to stay above the 200 moving average and quickly get back up here for more upside. And then on the 15-minute chart, the stochastics topped out. We're rolling over. Now this could curve back up, but look at this. We lost the 200 moving average, and we really haven't been able to get back above it ever since we lost it on Wednesday. We tried to fake it out right here, and then we came back down. We've been under it, so we must get back above this 200 moving average, which is currently at 80,427 with strength. This is going to be the key right here to higher prices. If we cannot get above this 200 moving average on the 15-minute time frame, we're going to have more downside. And then the 4-hour chart, if we break this 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame and cannot get back up quickly, then that's going to open up more downside to possibly even below 70k. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gives you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.